Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back to the official channel of Cat King. So guys, a few days back I came across a news which is very interesting and very pleasant in these times when we rarely get to hear positive news. तो मैं आपके साथ वो न्यूज़ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. So Ernst and Young, which is commonly called as EY, which is one of the top most accounting firms in the world, one of the big four firms as we call it, did something path breaking, guys. So around 30th June 2020, EY ने announce किया that it's going to provide all its employees with the first ever virtual corporate MBA completely free. Now this is huge news, guys. EY, in association with Hult International Business School, which is based out of USA, has announced the scheme. Now, how is the scheme different from the schemes that other organizations provide? So we all know that a lot of different organizations give the opportunity of doing an MBA to its employees, right? कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं जो आपका MBA पार्शली स्पॉन्सर करती हैं, कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं जो आपको सबैटिकल प्रोवाइड करती हैं सो दैट यू कैन complete your MBA and come back and join the same company. Some organizations provide you with financial aid and a lot of different schemes. So how is EY doing things differently here? तो सबसे पहले तो हम इसके डिटेल में जाते हैं. So EY, that is a new EY Tech MBA by Hult International Business School, which is focused on technology, leadership and business skills. ये तीनों चीज़ें इतनी ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं especially इस टाइम पे because of the entire COVID-19 situation. Everything has gone digital, everything has gone virtual. So the industry is dominated by tech. तो इस टाइम पे technology is like there's nothing that can beat technology at this point. Leadership and business skills तो हमेशा से बहुत important रही हैं, which has become even more important now because the times are difficult. So you have to be a better leader, you have to have better business skills in order to survive this situation, right? So now the entire program is to be delivered online, reflecting wider shift to virtual learning during COVID-19 pandemic. Now everything is going virtual, we all know that. So this course is completely virtual. It means you will not have to quit your job. It means you will not have to physically move to US. It means that you will not have to risk your careers at this point of time. Your company is doing all of this for you, right? And it is available to all EY people irrespective of prior qualifications or location. This is what it's most appealing about this entire news. So now other companies that provide MBAs, they do that on the basis of a few criteria. वो अपने सारे employees को ये opportunity नहीं देते हैं. They do it sometimes on the basis of seniority in the organization, sometimes on the basis of your performance, sometimes on the basis of how much upskilling do you need and how important you are to the organization. But EY, irrespective of what position you're working at, from your past educational background, irrespective of how many years you've been associated with EY for, and irrespective of everything else, it is giving you a platform to completely get this opportunity and get an MBA from an internationally recognized university. So let's talk more about the Hult International University. थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट में डिस्कस करेंगे. ये जो यूनिवर्सिटी है ये यूएस में है, ये बहुत ही रेप्यूटेड यूनिवर्सिटी है, वहाँ की वन ऑफ द टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज़ फॉर MBA. इट इज़ द फर्स्ट यूनिवर्सिटी टू बी ट्रिपल एक्रेडिटेड, जहाँ पे किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी किसी भी बी स्कूल के लिए एक एक्रेडिशन लाना इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये यूनिवर्सिटी है जिसके पास ट्रिपल एक्रेडिशन है, विच इज़ द फर्स्ट triple accredited business school in the US, and it is regularly ranked as one of the top business schools in the world. This is a great opportunity, guys. तो इसकी जो फीस है, अगर हम कंसिडर करें कि वर्चुअल पार्ट टाइम MBA की फ़ीस क्या होती है इसकी, तो होती है अराउंड $32,500, which when converted into Indian rupees is lies between 24 to 25 lakhs. Now, imagine your company is completely taking care of your finances. You don't have to spend a single penny, and you will get an MBA degree from an international recognized university. Isn't that great? Now, let us see that, it says that EY people studying for the MBA will be able to build their own personal curriculum from a broad range of subject areas, from artificial intelligence blockchain, robotic process automation to employee well-being, diversity, inclusion, and sustainable business practices. So these are all very, very integral to any organization. The latter part of it, that is the employee well-being, diversity, inclusion, sustainable business practices, ये recently बहुत ज़्यादा popular हो गई है. Every organization is trying to incorporate these. But if you talk about the former, that is the artificial intelligence, blockchain, robotic process automation, yes, the world is completely moving towards AI, completely moving towards automation. And at this point, especially during this pandemic, it is very important for any organization to be extremely good at it. So this is amazing. Now why is EY doing this? हम short में एकदम discuss करते हैं कि ठीक है, EY अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए ये सब कर रहा है. इट इज़ वेरी बेनिफिशियल टू द एम्प्लॉयज़. इट इज़ ग्रेट स्टेप. हाँ, इसके पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूँ कि ये सबको फ्री में नहीं मिलेगा MBA. तो तुम्हें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी. एवरीवन विल गेट इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ टू डू दिस MBA. बट उसके लिए तुम्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा? MBA builds on EY badges through which EY people earn digital credentials in future focused skills through learning and applying the learning to practice. To earn the EY Tech MBA by HALT, EY people will need to complete 16 badges spanning across technology, leadership and business topics, as well as final capstone project, which will be a commitment of more than 300 hours. Now, all those employees who are able to do this, who are able to earn these badges by working hard, by doing all these courses, by giving more than 300 hours of commitment, will get an opportunity to do this MBA. Now, what will EY get from this? Since everything is going tech, everything is going digital, everything is going virtual, if your employees are upskilled, if your employees are completely at par with the global situation, then you're at your best. So जो employees हैं, तुम्हें नए employees नहीं hire करने पड़ेंगे. You will not have to train new people for specific roles. You will not have to give up on your existing employees. You will not have to spend a lot on manpower, because if your existing employees are skilled enough, you will benefit from it. The company that is investing around 25 lakhs on one employee will get in return so much more than that investment. So that is great, guys. I just wanted to say that if a lot of other companies also start doing something like this for their employees, not only will it benefit the employees, it will also benefit the company and also create a very good relationship between the employees and the company. So this is a very smart move and a very good move for both the employees and the organization. So guys, for more such news, press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on special news, you don't miss out on anything that's happening around the world, and we'll see you soon.